Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Thank you so much at patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to. At sa mga new subscribers, hello sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Yan. Yan mga babes na bago natin simulan to na smarter new subscribers. Thank you so much at walang sawa ninyong pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na ito. So yun nga na wala tayong gender dito, bae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can flip roles if you want, and of course, timeless din ito, nabubulol. Timeless din ito no, at wala tayong gender here. So, thank you so much. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Tingnan natin ang magiging kaganapan here for you guys. So, thank you so much. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. So, what do we have here for Virgo, please? Messages for Virgo. Virgo. Ano pong kailangan malaman ni Virgo? This is for Virgo people. Just take only what resonates with you guys, okay? So yeah, let's go. Virgo. Okay. So yeah, let's keep moving right here, Virgo, and let's see ano ba mga mensahe dito for you guys. So yun nga mga babes na first energy we got right here is the High Priestess. Looks like you should listen to your intuition and mukhang ginagawa mo yun. So you could be listening here, tapping here to your own understanding, your inner knowing, deep understanding, inner knowledge. Because when you listen to your intuition, hindi ka magiging wrong sa paggawa ng desisyon. Because hindi lamang ikaw ang gumagawa ng desisyon kapag nakikinig ka sa intuition mo, kundi pati na rin no, sa yung mga angels and spirit guides right here, nakikinig ka kay universe. No? It's like you are in tune into whatever it is no, na talagang ginaguide ka kung anong dapat ang desisyon mong gawin, yan ay makabubuti para sa iyo. So, let's keep moving. Ilatag na muna natin lahat. So, yeah, with the Hierophant energy right here, yes. I'm seeing you right here, really in tune here into your spirituality. Yung iba, medyo may pagka-traditional kayo or meron kayo rito na parang madasalin or there's this belief or faith na pinaniniwalaan kayo. Keep holding on to that vision and everything here, no, is makakamtan niyo yan. So, yung iba pwede may kinalaman sa mga desire or mga goals ninyo sa buhay. So, maintain nyo lang yan kasi nakita ko rito ng pag-abot ng pangarap ninyo. So, yung iba yung pangarap niyo may kinalaman sa love life at saka promotion sa trabaho or pagkilanlan sa business mo kung businessman yan or you could have both. So, nakikita ko rito no, na meron dito na energy no, ng someone here na you do not know or you do not see it yet in your 3D world or in this 3D world, pero there's something already going on BTS or behind the scenes for you guys. So, may pagbabago na with the number 5 right here. And as you can see, we've got here number 2 and number 5. When you add it up, what will you get? 7. 7 is that spirits and angel guides are talking to you, having a better understanding of what's really going on into your surroundings, and trusting the process and divine that everything will be okay. And kung ano man yung mga belief or pinaniwalaan mo or kung ano man tong bagay na may faith ka dyan, darating yan sa'yo. Yung iba pwedeng yan ay may kinalaman sa money. Sa iba naman, no, you could be connecting here with someone na tao na talagang gusto mo, may pag-ibig ka sa kanya, no, nakikita ko na ng papaibig mo tong tao na to. So, whoever this individual is, so nakikita ko rito na kung ano man tong pangarap mo or gusto mo dito na makuha or maabot, no, that is exactly, no, eksakto sa kung ano talaga yung gusto mong ma-receive. So, yeah, kung ano yung inas out mo or hiniling or hiningi, ipinagdasal mo, siya ring mapupunta sa iyo. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. Wow, you do have here straight major arcana. So, talagang pinapakailaman na ngayon ni universe ang buhay mo. No, at ikaw ito mga babes, no, na talagang papunta ka na sa tamang direksyon. No? Mukhang galing kayo mga babes so dun sa isang sitwasyon na pwedeng it's difficult for you, pwedeng experience or parang problem or challenge sa inyong buhay. Yung iba, yung challenge niya may kinalaman dito sa love life, no? Maybe someone here, no, is hindi niya naibigay yung deserve mo rito na commitment, no? You're not in for casual flings or for short terms or short flings, no? You're here for love and relationship, commitment forever and infinity and beyond. And I'm seeing, no, na yun na yung paparating sa'yo. Okay? The right person is coming for you guys, or the right work or job or business is coming towards you. Yun nakikita ko dito. A lot of better opportunities behind this door. That's the offer of the universe with the hermit right here. But as you can see, may mga keys na nakahang, no? Sa malapit sa pintuan na to, no? So whatever it is, you need to find it. Okay? At sa nakikita ko rito, ano man dyan ang susi na makuha mo, siyang makakapagbukas ng pintuan na yan. So, there's something here in store behind that door na talagang mas deserve mo. So, kung ano man ngayon yung mga bagay, no, na parang tingin mo, na parang nagpapabigat rito ng loob mo, ng buhay mo, or whatever, you need to let go of that. Release that because something's better, ayan, no, ay paparating sa'yo. Virgo. Yeah, fortune's wheel. Are you just kidding me? You've got the four major arcanas right here. Your life is para ritong, alam mo yon, no, binalintong-balintong, no, or parang iniiba, no, 360 degrees turn of events. Fortune's wheel, no, ay nandito na, together with the High Priestess. The universe could be sending you already signals, synchronicities, angel numbers, signs and clues that your life is changing. Nakikita ko nagbabago na yung buhay mo. Your life will never be the same anymore. This is you stepping into that others' greatness. It is, no, you feel great, you feel good about yourself. And I'm sensing, Virgo, that you are stepping into this type of higher level of consciousness, higher level of understanding life. And this is you achieving here higher level of position. I'm seeing you having that authority, speaking, or you are being um, called, no, to step into this life's purpose here. Okay? Na ito yung role mo, to be a model to everybody here. It's like this is you, no, doesn't have to be na kailangan maging energy reader ka or empath ka or light worker, hindi ganon. It's like you have the knowledge, you have the guts, you have the skills, okay, na may kayang i-uplift, no, yung spirit ng iba. So, kung ikaw, no, you're stepping into this type of energy wherein higher position is there, pwede ka maging CEO or maging mataas yung position mo dyan, you have the power to speak and encourage people under your supervision, no, to strive more and to dream more. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito that you have the power, no, not to persuade, but to encourage, okay, other people to also go after their dreams. Yan, no? And with the fortune's wheel, a lot of blessings are coming towards you. These blessings could not be present right now pa, pero nararamdaman mo something good is about to happen here in your life. Yeah, two of air energy, I'm picking up that this is you pagdating rito sa talagang pagiging bukas or open. Yung iba kasi nakuha ko rito pagdating sa love life, hindi kayo ganun ka-open. Or parang, yung iba hindi naman as in hindi open, pero parang hindi nyo prioritize. Hindi nyo pinaprioritize, no, yung love life right now. You're prioritizing here more yung status mo sa life, your financial stability, yung nakikita ko rito, and trying to balance here. And yung iba, kasi galing kayo dun sa painful experience when it comes to love, isn't it, as what I mentioned earlier. And this is you are taking care of yourself. It's like yung sarili mo muna yung aalagaan mo at iisipin mo. Yung iba naman, pwede may kakonect kayo ngayon, or may kausap kayo, or may boyfriend or girlfriend kayo. Pero ang pinapakita sa akin ditong tema, mga Virgo, mahal, no, is hindi yung partner ninyo. Hindi sa kakalimutan nyo sila, ini-neglect nyo or ano nyo. It's like that, pinaprioritize nyo lang ngayon is yung trabaho, kaperahan, no, or yung ibang mga bagay. Yan, no. which is alam mo naman na makatutulong sa'yo here in the future. Andiyan lang sila, yung mga taong mahal mo, yung boyfriend, girlfriend, yung asawa mo, nandiyan lang sila. Pero yung main priority mo, sa nakikita ko rito is yung palawakin at palawigin ang kaperahan mo, payabungin yung business mo kung business yan. Basta may kinalaman sa pera, no, yun ang focus mo. Pera, money, pentacles, grow it, no, ascend it, yun ang goal mo. So, yeah, okay? Blessings are coming your way, and I do pick up it in something to do with your well-being, something that will make you very, very happy. And of course, money. It's money, money, money. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, wow! See? Wow! Alam mo, two of air energy is also appearing here as the blockage. Don't doubt your dreams and beliefs, mga mahal. Keep faith alive, no? Because tinan mo, napapagitnaan ka, napapaligiran ka ng mga positibo at talaga namang magagandang mga mensaheng major arcanas na talagang yung buhay mo ay mag-iiba, like your life will never be the same. It's like you're stepping into this new door at sa likod ng door na ito, what is in there? See? It's literally a whole new world here for you guys. A whole new world here, Virgo. It's like everything here is aligning. Nakita mo ba yan? May padlock doon, no, kung saan ilalagay mo yung susi. Yan o, kita mo? Tapos may padlock din doon. So, ibig sabihin, no, kung ano man itong bubuksan mong pinto, dito ang labas mo mga babes, no, sa outer space. Meaning, ibig sabihin nun, no, kung ano man tong um, world na ito, it's something here new. This is not you experiencing the same life that you had been in the past. This is a different world. This is something here that you will look forward here. Something that will make you very, very happy. Just in tune here and trust. Okay? I think your self-doubt is interfering here, and also you need to find your own balance, no? Meron pa kayong parang medyo may binibitbit pa kayo dyan sa dibdib ninyong something na mabigat. Doesn't have to be na problema, pero lumalabas sa iba bilang burden. So, yung iba, take time to heal yourself, okay? Take time to listen to yourself, okay? You need to release whatever is that in order for you to step into this new era, new environment right here. No, andyan lang yan. Okay, magmadali. No, take time here, no, to heal whatever it is that you need to heal and to live whatever it is that you need to make iwan, no, baggages from the past. And at the bottom of the deck, we have here the Ace of Air Energy, King of Fire, Three of Earth. Yeah, I'm seeing you na may high honor, something here na may mapopromote sa trabaho or sa kaperahan with the King of Fire energy. I'm seeing here communication coming from a person who have this lots of passion in moving forward to build a strong foundation, legacy here with you guys. This could be your person here. I'm seeing this person here confessing that he or she wants to settle down with you, magtayo ng pamilya here with you. Yes, you're hearing that right. That is a marriage proposal if your person is already relationship na kayo sa kanya, no? Yung iba naman, no, this is something here about this person here wanting to take that next level dito sa connection na ito, no? So this person here wanting to be maging official kayong dalawa, no? Sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo. So yeah, so this could be a boss or baka katrabaho mo siya, no? Pero nakikita ko rito na stable siya with the King of Fire energy. Maaring busy siya, no? Or ano to? Parang marami siyang hina-handle rito na parang may kinalaman sa pagkakaperahan, no? Pero nakikita ko rito na hindi ka niya rito nine-neglect. Bagkus, this person here will express to you that you are really special and that will be proud of you. So, iba older than age ito sa inyo. Or baka may age gap kayo nitong tao na to, but doesn't have to be. Just take how this resonates. But this is that type of energy that this person, Virgo, wants to build that strong foundation of this connection. This person will not rush you if you want him or her to give you time to think about that proposal. Bibigyan ka niya ng chance to do that, of course, because this person here clearly gives me that this is more than passion and desire. This is also love. Yan. So, ito ang nakikita ko for you, Virgo. Blessings are coming in. Fortunes will and your life will never be the same. So, kaya naman, kung ano man yung belief, no, at paniniwala na kinakapitan mo, tuloy-tuloy lamang at huwag ka ritong mabahala at huwag kang kakawala, no, sa iyong mga pangarap at tinatarget sa buhay dahil nakikita ko na yan ay masusungkit at makakamit mo na. So, thank you so much, Virgo. Sana yung love and light. Annyeong.